Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Compared to regular pasta, zucchini pasta offers much less calories. As you can see above, one big cup of zoodles has only about 30 to 40 calories. Compare that to regular spaghetti or linguine, which has about 210 calories per cup. The 30th of April 2017.
Take our lead.
Another potential side effect of eating raw zucchini is bloating. This is caused by nutrients like cellulose, a structural component of plant cell walls, and soluble fiber, which is fermented by your healthy gut bacteria and produces gas as a side effect. 4.15 April 2019.
Take our lead.
Are zucchini noodles good for you? Heck yes! Zucchini is one of the lowest calorie vegetables when compared to the same serving size as other nutritious vegetables like broccoli or Brussels sprouts. Coming in at only 19 calories per cup, zucchini also packs a nutritious punch. 26 July 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.